Heartbreaks. A very difficult and painful situation to be in, isn't it? But it's not impossible to protect us from repeating our mistakes and facing the same situation again and again. You see, in present world, heartbreaks are very common, which is why most of us think that it's normal to be heartbroken in life. But in reality, in most of the cases, it happens because of one mistake which we make at one point or the other. The only way to avoid heartbreaks is to learn how to be loving by your own nature. If you learn to be loving by your own nature, if you become love, not love somebody, then you will be able to cross the big hurdles which often leads to heartbreaks. You see, if you feel the emotions of love from something or someone, then it may or may not be true love. Most of the time, we can't differentiate between like and love because both are almost overlapping, separated by a very thin line. Also, apart from this, there is also the fact that at present world, most of the feelings of love are superficial, and it will be appropriate to call it affection and desire, but not true love. We need to understand that true love is always unconditional. But in today's world, when someone refers to the feelings of love, mostly they mean something which involves selfishness in one or the other form. Maybe you expected someone to be the way you want them to be, or have expectations from them. We need to understand that no human being will be 100% the way we want them to be. Every human being on this planet will disappoint you, not because they will do something wrong, but because nobody will be able to fulfill the unrealistic expectations you have from them. It's simply not possible. Everyone is different due to various reasons, and there is no way that they will agree with you about everything. Instead of looking towards someone with expectations, if you are asked that have you ever been able to fulfill someone's expectation entirely, will you be able to say yes? Maybe partially, but never entirely, isn't it? Similarly, no one else will be able to do it. After I spoke to some of my friends about this matter, the single reply which I got was, "Do you mean we have to live a life without expectations? Won't that be boring?" Well, if you want some moments of happiness as well as a lot of pain to avoid boredom in your life, then sure, you can have as many expectations as you want. But I'm asking, is it necessary to create emotional disturbance in our life knowingly? If you are talking about enjoyment, happiness, and peace, then let me ask you one simple question. When you expect something from your dear ones, and when you don't expect anything, if you get the same expected entity in both the cases, will your happiness be more or less? What do you think? Isn't it always much more enjoyable to get something as a surprise instead of asking it and then get it? The only question which remains is, have you tried to love unconditionally? Have you tried loving someone not because of how they look or how they treat you or what they have, but because you wish for their best without anything in return? If you haven't, then surely you are setting up the trap of heartbreaks by yourself, isn't it? If you want eternal flowers to bloom in your heart, which never expires, then instead of loving someone, try to become love, so that fragrance of love will spread no matter what. And the first person who will always get the sweet fragrance ahead of anyone else is the person who has cultivated the flowers within. Always remember, giving someone all your love is never an assurance that they will love you back. Don't expect love in return. Just wait for it to grow in their heart. But if it doesn't, be content that it grew in yours.